a Mother's Day present for Mom, and we finally found a Mother's Day present.
For me?
Yeah, because you didn't really get anything.
What's up?
It's a Mother's Day present for Mom. She didn't really get anything,
Oh.
Hold on.
so we didn't know what to get her.
Hold on. Hold on a second. I can't. I don't.
No, it's.
No, it's not. It's you.
Oh my God. Oh dear.
Did you wreck your car? Are you kidding? No.
I hope you guys find one.
Oh my goodness.
Congratulations, Grandma.
Thank you. Oh, you guys. Notice I didn't quite do you guys. But you walked towards me, so I thought. I know.
I was just trying to activate.
I know.
You're just a little stunned
I
there.
was just a little. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I was waiting for your next word to say, I knew it.
She didn't know if it was you.
I know, right?
She looked at Kaylee and thought it better not.
Grandma news.
I saw you look at Kaylee and go, right there.
Thank you. We got a baby coming. Sarah. Hi, Sarah. George. I know. Get in with Sarah and George. Okay. All the guys are over there giving him advice. Oh, you poor fool. What have you done? Come here, babe. Wait a minute. Yeah. Well, Grandma, and then